Hey guys, welcome to the next tutorial of Service Seller app. So in this video lecture we are going to learn how to create a tab bar in Flutter. So basically the main motive of this video is to create a booking screen of a seller site. The booking screen, the seller is able to see their ongoing projects, their pending projects and their completed projects. So let's get started. So here I'm going to create one more screen, name as bookings, and now I'm going to create a new file, import material dot, and here I'm going to get a stateful widget name as bookings seller. Okay, so now here I am going to, first of all I am going to create a list of widget widget tabs is equal to, so inside the list I am going to create a, because we have a three tabs in a booking screen. One is ongoing, and second is pending, and the third is completed. Okay, so we need three tabs. Take a tab, so here, and in the child I'm going to take a container and decoration, box decoration, and here I'm going to take a border radius dot circular, border radius dot circular, and give it a 50.0. okay, and color will be a dot white colors dot white, and in the child of a container I'm going to take a text, and the text will be a pending. Okay, and thus give it a style, text style, and font size is 22.0. color will be a colors dot green. Okay, and make the font weight bold, just minimize the emulator. And also I'm going to give it a height and width to our container. Height is 60.0 and width is 250.0. okay, so just copy this tab and paste it below. Okay, 1 2 3. okay, because we need three tabs, ongoing, and this is completed. So now I'm going to take a tab controller and name it a name as a controller, and now I'm going to create a init state method at override, and here I'm going to create a void init state, and here let me move it. Here I'm going to super dot init state. Okay, fine. Now here I'm going to type a controller is equal to tab controller, and length is, we have to give the length of this list. Okay, tabs. So here I'm going to pass a tabs dot length, and in wasing I'm going to pass out this. So here now I'm also going to controller dot add listener. Okay, so here I'm going to set state. So first of all we have to create one more method, var selected index. Okay, so now here selected index is equal to controller dot index. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm going to take a scaffold here, scaffold, and in app bar I'm going to pass a title, title, and in title we have a booking screen. Okay, so not title, sorry, here it a text. So now bottom, so we're going to use a tab bar in a app bar. So we are going to use a property bottom of an app bar. Here I'm going to use a tab bar widget, and here I am going to pass a tab. I'm going to use the property tabs, and here I am going to pass a the list which we have created. Okay, that's it. And here we have also many properties of it, like we have to pass a controller. Okay, so there are many other properties like scrollable, painting, indicator color, indicator size, label color, label style. So these are the properties which you can use. Okay, so now I'm going to use a body. So in body of the scaffold, here scaffold, I'm going to use a tab bar view. So in tab bar view, I'm going to, there are many properties you can use, like children's. Here we have to pass a, here we have to pass our three classes, reference to three classes, like we have three tabs in a screen, like we have ongoing, pending, and completed. So we have want to create a three tabs of a different classes or in a custom widget. Okay, so for now I'm just going to print a for demo tab pending, just put comma and copy paste here, and ongoing, and here I'm going to complete it. Okay, so just reload, go check the where the error was. So just remove this property. Okay, fine. And now what was the second error? Just find the error, so just put the terminator here. So now just go to the navigation drawer, side drawer, and here we have my orders. So just wrap the list tile with the equal widget, okay, to make it clickable, and just go up and copy this on tap method and paste it here, and booking bookings seller. Okay, so fine, just hot reload the app and just click on my orders, and it will navigate to the booking screen of a seller. So it's given error, so just remove was just uh, go to the class, and here type with and ticket provider state mixing. Okay, so now go to here and provide vsync property and make it this. Okay, so now just go back and again hot reload the app, and you will saw that it will perfectly working fine. So now I'm just hot reloading the app and wait for 1 to 2 seconds, tapping my orders, and now the error will solve hopefully. So so this is our tab pending, ongoing, updated, but it's need to be modified. Okay, so no problem, no tab control for tab view. When creating a tab bar view, you must either provide an explicit controller property or you must ensure there is a default tab controller view. Okay, no problem. So here we have to use some properties of tab bar view. First of all, we are going to modify this, just make a border radius to 20, and here also 20, and here also 20, and make the text to the center. Okay, center, and the text style will be 20, and here also 20, and wrap this text also to a center widget, and wrap this text with also center widget, and make the font size as 20. And now hot reload the screen and check whether now it's look good or not. So we have to do one more thing. We have to change the background color of an app bar. So let's give a background color property of an app bar, and background color colors dot green. So now okay, fine. So now just short reload the app. And one more thing, just go back and then come to this screen, because the init state method will reload when you on the screen first time. Okay, so just go back and again hot reload the app, and then go to the next screen, my orders. So now it will look good. Okay, pending, ongoing, and completed. So the error was the no tab bar controller. So here we have to provide a controller to this tab bar, controller, and controller. So now hot reload the app and see the error will resolve. So just wait for 1 second. Okay, now the error is resolved. Okay, so now you just slide the screen and it will take to the that screen, pending, ongoing, and completed. Okay, you can tap this button as well, or you can slide the screen as well. So we just need to create a different screen for this, but for now that's it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share the video with others. So we'll meet in next video. Till then, goodbye.